Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy basic lamb stew recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So we're starting off with some lamb, which I've just rinsed off, and then I'm going to be adding that inside a pan. And in my pan I've got nothing. I'm just going to be setting my pan at a low medium heat, so that's heat setting number 4, just to allow my meat to brown. So once it has browned, I'm just going to give it a mix just to make sure that I lift all of it from the bottom up, and just to check that it has all browned sufficiently well. So the next step is then going to be for us to add the flavors in our meat. So the first and foremost, we're going to be adding a little bit of brown onion inside. And then I'm just going to give that a quick mix just to make sure that my onion is also evenly distributed inside the pan. And then next I'm going to be adding some dried rosemary. You're more than welcome to also use fresh rosemary. And then I'm going to be adding some tomatoes, which I've just blended in a blender. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of water to that, just to allow enough liquids for our lamb to simmer. I'm just going to mix that so that I evenly distribute everything inside the pot. Next I'm going to be adding some turmeric. You know what the turmeric is for, it's for the color. And then I'm going to be adding some medium curry powder. I'm also going to give that a quick mix just to make sure that everything is nice and evenly distributed. And then I'm going to close that up, and I'm going to allow that to simmer at a low medium heat for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes I'm going to then add my stock. So I'm using a stock pot, but you can use whichever stock you have on hand. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of water so that my stew can cook inside the liquid. So the amount of liquid that you'll be adding each time will be dependent on how much water you poured the previous time, and also just how much sauce you want. So that will be to your discretion. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. So this is just to deepen the color and make it more brown, the color of our stew, that is. So I'm just going to give that a quick mix and allow that to simmer with the lid on for another 5 minutes. I've added a bit of carrots inside my stew. Unfortunately I didn't capture that on camera, but I've only added some carrots in my stew. You can also add which other vegetables you want on hand. I wanted mine to be very bare and basic, so I'm only adding some carrots. And then I'm going to allow those to cook through, obviously, for about 10 minutes. And then lastly I have added some thickening sauce. So the one that I'm using is just a mixture that I made with some black pepper and some flour, but you're welcome to use brown onion soup to just thicken up your stew. And obviously you will thicken it to the consistency that you want. So that is it for this recipe. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section, like and share this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.